my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we are moving on to the next chapter in our textbook, that is chapter 22, left, right. In this chapter we will study about the sides such as right, left, front, back. Then the important directions such as north, south, east and west. Children, do you know in which direction the sun rises? Yes, you are right. The sun rises in the east. In which direction the sun sets? The sun sets in the west. So with the help of the sun we can find the direction of a place. Then we will learn about maps and the symbols and the signs used in maps. In this chapter, first of all, let us know about the sides such as right, left, front and back. When you stand straight, this is your right side. Children, which hand do you use for writing? Yes, correct. You use your right hand for writing. We also have our foot with our right hand, isn't it? See this picture. The opposite of this side is your left. The side which you face is your front. Opposite side of our front is our back or behind. See this map of India. People live at different places in India. Some places in the north side, some places in the south side, some places in the east and some places in the west. Kashmir, the paradise of earth, is located in north. Rajasthan, the land of desert, is located in the west. Assam, known for its tea and wildlife, is located in the east. Kerala, famous for its spices and backwater, located in the south. Main directions are north, south, east and west. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Compass is a device that we use to find directions. A compass has a needle that rotates to indicate a direction. The head of the needle always points towards the north and the tail towards the south. The sailors and pilots use a compass to know the direction in which they are moving. In addition to north, south, east and west, we use left and right direction to locate a place. The hand that makes a letter L when the index finger and thumb are stretched up is our left hand and the other one is our right hand. So the places towards our right hand is said to be right and the places towards our left hand is said to be left. Now let us do an activity that is given in your textbook. Now children, listen to page number 146 in your textbook. Given below is the picture of a hand. Place your hand on it so that the palm faces the paper. Your thumb and fingers should be placed on those drawn in the picture. The hand which fits on the hand in the picture is your right hand. Place your other hand on a page in your notebook and traces its outline with your right hand to get a picture. The hand whose outline you have just traced is your left hand. When you trace your left hand, this is the kind of trace you will get. This is your left hand. Now let us sing a song. Put your right hand in, put your right hand out, put your right hand in and just turn around. Put your left hand in, put your left hand out, put your left hand in and just turn around. Similarly, you have to sing for the right and left foot also. I hope now you clear about your left and right. There are some textual exercise questions are on that page. Since we have no classes, you have to do the same in your home. Okay. Now you listen to page number 148 in your textbook. This is a picture with a Rujira in the center. In this picture, you have to draw a book behind Rujira, an animal on Rujira's right, a chair on Rujira's left, and a tree in front of Rujira. Now look at this picture. I have drawn a book behind Rujira, an animal on Rujira's right, a chair on Rujira's left, and a tree in front of Rujira. Children, by looking at this picture, you have to identify and understand the different sides such as right, left, front and back. Okay. Now you see the picture in page number 149. In that picture, you have to get Rujira from her home to school. First, you have to find the school in the picture and also find the way from Rujira's home to her school. Now observe this picture. The path through which she has to move is clearly given in this picture. Children, now you observe this picture and find out which places and things will Rujira find on her way from home to school. So you can to observe the picture and find out which are the places and what are the things she noticed while she go from home to school. Now you observe this picture and find out which are the places and what are the things will she find on her right and which places and things on her left. On her right we can see tree, park, well, post office, and on her left we can see house, hand pump, bus stop, hospital, shop, tree, etc. One more question is given on that page, that is, how many times will Rujira have to take a turn on her way from home to school? She had to take a turn of 5 times on her way from home to school. Children, now let us move on to the next point, that is about map. What is a map? Maps are drawings which show where different places are located. Maps are drawings which shows where different places are located. Now you observe the picture on the left side of the screen. This is a map of the picture that is given on the right side. Okay. Maps are used to find directions to go from one place to another. Symbols are used in map to identify each place. For example, hospital is represented by a different symbol. Police station will have also different symbol. So each place is represented by different symbols. Why do we use different symbols or signs in map? The symbols are used in map to find out and understand the different places. Symbols are used to find out and understand the different places in the map. Children, now you observe the picture in the left side of the screen. Here, instead of pictures, symbols are used. So, this is a map. Instead of pictures, here all are represented by using symbols. So, this is a picture of a map. Now you observe these two pictures and compare it. What is the difference you find? The right side, Rujira's house is represented by a building, but in the left side picture it is represented by a symbol. Like that, hospital is represented by a building in the right side and in the left side it is represented by a symbol. Like that, all things were represented by symbols. Now children, you have to identify each symbol and write what it means. Now you observe each symbol and represent what it indicates. Observe the first symbol, what it indicates. It indicates or represents Rujira's house. Second symbol represents a house. Third symbol represents trees. So like that you have to find out the meaning of each symbol. Okay. Children, have you all got the answer like this? See children, in page number 152 in your textbook, a map is given and you have to make your own signs to represent the places and things. So you have to do it by yourself. Okay. Have you ever seen these signs before? These are some important traffic signs. A driver must know about these signs and he has to follow these signs while driving. So children, you have to find out some other signs that you can see in your neighborhood. Draw them and write what they indicate in page number 153 in your textbook. A list of symbols used in the map is given. Now look carefully and write the answers for the following questions. See children, next to the map we have symbols and the things it represents. In the map, the symbols are used to represent the place and the things. So read the map and answer the question. The first question is that how many houses are there in the map? How to answer this question? See, first you find out the symbol represent the house. Here the symbol represent the house is the first one. So you have to count how many such symbols are there in the map. So you look at the map and count how many such symbols are there in the map. There are 4 such symbols are there in the map. So there are 4 houses in the map. The second question is that how many shops are there in the map. So you have to find out the symbol represent the shop. Then you count how many such a symbol are there in the map. So there is only one shop in the map. The third question is that how many trees are there in the map. First you have to find out the symbol represent the tree. In this map, the symbol represent the tree is given and you have to count how many such symbols are there in the map. Here in this map there are 5 such symbols that represent the trees are given. So the number of trees here in the map is 5. Children, like this you have to find out answers for the remaining questions also. Now let us summarize what are the main points that we have discussed in this chapter. In this chapter, first of all, I taught you about the sides such as right, left, front and back. Then about the important directions such as east, west, north and south. These are the main directions. Then what is map? Maps are drawings which show where different places are located. Then symbols and signs used in maps. What is the importance of symbols and signs used in maps? Symbols and signs used in map to locate and identify the places easily. Okay, I hope you all understood the portions. Children, you read the textbook and find out the answers for the textual exercise questions also. Most of the questions I discussed here in the video itself. We have to copy all these answers in your textbook. Okay children, thank you.